In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily delete all of your Discord messages at once, whether it be in a specific conversation or all of them all together. First things first, open up Google Chrome. You need to have Google Chrome for this to work. Open up a new browser tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. We're going to be downloading a browser plugin called Discrub, D-I-S-C-R-U-B. I'll put the link in a pinned comment and in the description of this video. Go ahead and search for it here and just click the install to Chrome on the right hand side over here. To make it to where you can see it in your toolbar up here, just click on the puzzle icon here where you see your extensions and go ahead and click the pin icon here next to Discrub. That way you can see it here in your browser. Go ahead and log into Discord on your Google Chrome browser. Go to your messages or DMs. It really doesn't matter where you go, to be honest. And once you're here, go ahead and click on the Discrub logo in the icons up here on Google Chrome. It's then going to bring up this box that you see here. The first thing that we want to do is if you want to remove DMs altogether, you go up here to menu and then change from channel messages to direct messages. And then you have a drop down menu here where you can select, and any person that you've sent a DM to will show up here. So for me, I'm going to select this person here, but you can select multiple people if you want, or if you wanted to delete all of them, you just go through and select everyone. Once you're here and you've selected that person, what you want to do first is you can search to see how many messages or DMs that you have. So we can go to search here and it will bring up, say, however many messages there are. You can see there are 20 of them here. What you want to do is go ahead and expand rows per page to be however many you want. You can make it 1,000 if you have a bunch of messages, and then click this box here that says select all. It'll tell you how many messages are selected here, and then you'll see a trash can icon here that says delete. This will delete data from every selected message. Not only will it delete the message, but it will delete attachments, the text, the reactions, everything will be done here. When you do that, click on that icon there, leave attachments and messages selected, and then go to delete. It will then delete every DM that you have selected from that individual person. If you wanted to, you could just select all right here. When you have your direct messages pulled up, select all. That's going to select everyone. And then once you do that, you click the purge button and that will do the same thing. Now, what if you wanted to remove everything you've posted in a specific channel or area on Discord? Go to menu, go to channel messages, select a server. So we can select a specific server. And then what we can do is we can go to channel. So we'll go to a specific channel here and find a channel like this one here. And then we can click on search criteria and we can say users. So for me, I'll say me as the user. Messages from me, and then don't worry about anything else. Go ahead and go to close, and then we'll go to search. And then what you're going to find are all messages from yourself that have been sent in that specific server and that specified channel. Then you just go to rows per page, hit the drop down, go to however many you need, click this box here to select all of them, and then you could just click the trash can icon here that says delete, and it will purge and remove everything you've ever posted in that server and specified channel. Again, very quick, very easy, and absolutely free. If you have any questions about how to do this, put it down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.